knew they'd be out feeding. I don't know. He's a little guy. Yeah. Get up in here, boy. Oh, that's easy release. All right, first fish of the day. 8:52. Not bad. Hey guys, good morning. Cable and Haul Outdoors here, and we're gonna get after some fish. Multiple species, I'm guessing. Smallmouth, largemouth, bluegill, and
sunfish.
Sunfish.
Maybe a shell cracker.
Shell cracker. Some call them by the red ear sunfish.
Same fish.
But right now we're gonna fish this nice shell bank here. I'm gonna throw the Kraken crawl, and it's a beautiful color, Alabama bug or something like that. I love the purple and green in it. It just caught a fish actually, first cast. Awesome. Beth, what are you throwing?
This new little chihuahua I got. I'm gonna try this one. If I'm not getting anything on that one, then I may switch to this other color that's got that little bit of shine in it, so.
Nice. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. Cable Haul Outdoors, get out and go fishing. Oh my gosh.
Red breast.
Oh my gosh, it's huge, babe. That's massive.
He's huge.
What in the world? Good choice, color. I was just condemning your choice, and it just did an amazing thing. My gosh, what it did. Look at this.
It's pretty.
It is pretty. Very nice. Guys, if you're wondering what I'm using for line, that is a 10-pound Suffix braid, and I've got a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader, the 1/0 EWG, and a 1/16 ounce weight. I chose the 1/16 ounce. I know they're feeding this morning. They're not sitting anywhere. They're probably trolling this whole bank, and so I wanted something to be in their face a little longer, in theory. See if that pans out for me. The majority of my bites came around logs and down timber. A lot of people throw this time of year the Senko, and I will be throwing it later because it produced some fish on Monday. I'm just waiting for that sun to get higher and let them get back in their hiding spots. I think you're gonna get a smallmouth on that plug.
Got one. Smallmouth.
That was so weird, dude. What in the world? Let me do that again.
Yeah, just say that more often.
That is so weird.
If you can just say, you know, I think you're gonna get like a 10-pound bass on that. That'd be great.
The prophecy was foretold.
First one
Let me get a little action shot of you releasing him. And that's first smallmouth of the day. Good job, babe.
Yeah.
You got one? Little bass? Smallmouth.
What it was.
Yep. Little smallmouth, babe. Look at you. Cool. You got it going on right now. You figured them out. Do the smallmouth give you the feels?
They give me the feels. I get kind of like trout feels with them for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Like, to me, it's kind of like catching a pretty brown trout.
Man, they're pretty quick, aren't they? I totally didn't get that one on you, but good job.
It was fast. Look at him.
Yep, he's a good one.
That one's pretty.
Sweet. Getting bigger, babe.
Working my way up.
Oh yeah. Yep. I don't know. You don't feel very big. Oh, that's a good fish. You want to get a net on that one? That's a good 2 or 3 pounder right here, babe. Right here. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
That's a good fish, babe.
Nice.
Keeper.
I bet he's that one that was hitting top water over there.
Yeah.
He wanted that big old fat crawled ad in his mouth, didn't he?
Them largemouth love that thing.
Oh yeah. He's a keeper. He's a good keeper. Let me get this off you, buddy. Yeah, he's definitely 14. I'd say he's about 2 pounds, 2 1/4. Largemouth action. And you're gonna go to the deeps there, buddy. Mad. Mad. Oh, he went straight down. So I just pulled that last fish off this downed pine tree going in the water. There's a little bit older one over there. So it's really deep, about 20 feet where we're sitting now. Beth saw a lot of fish marked on the fish finder, all down this little strip of granite. So, see if there's a few more. It's just a really good area to hold fish at. Take it. Man, he thumped it good too.
That one.
Good bass, babe. Let's get him in the net.
On this side. Smallmouth.
We have a little bit of a
Conundrum.
Let's just let that net go in the water. Yeah, good smallmouth, babe. Very nice.
Smallmouth.
Smallmouth City. Oh, yep, that's a fish. Here we go. Yep. Yep. Can't tell, he's probably a little guy. Still a 14-incher, it looks like.
Good largie.
Come here, buddy. Oh, yeah. Nice. I knew he'd be right there on that log sticking out. The Kraken crawl, babe, is getting it done today. There she is, folks. So simple, but they love them. Here you go, babe. Those largemouths. Look at that beautiful largemouth footage. Go on, buddy. Back to your home. One of that thing. Yeah, buddy.
We finally start catching fish or we can't get anything on camera.
Oh, I know it. All right. Nice little largemouth. I don't think he's quite 14. But, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry that I have 0 hook set